Good morning, children. Now we are continuing the class alphabet jungle. Alphabet jungle we have already studied. A to R first we studied. Next J to R we studied. Next S to Z. First one, the squirrel has a baby. Squirrel, the squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. The squirrel has a baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. The tiger has a cub. The tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger has a cub, C-U-B, cub. Next, the upupa, U-P-U-P-A. This is one kind of bird. Upupa has a chick. In the hole of a tree. In the hole of O-F of a tree. In the hole of a tree. Next, the vulture. Kazhugu solvola, that is vulture. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. High up on the rock. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. See, yes, the alphabet jungle, S to Z. The squirrel has a baby. The tiger has a cub. The upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. Then next, we finished W. W. Baby wolf is a baby wolf. Baby wolf is a pup. P-U-P, pup. Baby fox is a cub. Baby calf. Baby fox, F-O-X, fox. Baby fox is a cub. Here see W, here X. Baby yak is a calf. Baby yak, Y-A-K, yak is a calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Baby yak is a calf and baby zebra is a foal. Baby zebra, zebra is a foal, F-O-A-L, foal. So alphabet jungle, S to Z. So first one, the squirrel has a baby. The tiger has a cub. The upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. Baby wolf is a pup. A baby fox is a cub. Baby yak is a calf. And baby zebra is a foal. So this is the alphabet jungle. We already seen that one. First A to R. Next J to R, next S to Z. First we studied A to I. First class we have studied A to I. Then next J to R. And now S to Z. Okay, children, have you understand that one? In your book, page number 122. Page number 122 in your book. They are given in page number 122. Now word wall. Okay children, have you finished this one? Okay, next we see. Next, word wall. Word wall. This is in your page number 123. Page number 123. R, A-R-E-R. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. More, M-O-R-E, more. U, Y-O-U. This is, T-H-I-S, this. I-S is, this is. These, T-H-E-S-E, these. Care, C-A-R-E, care. Who, W-H-O, who. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Her, H-E-R, her. H-I-S, his. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. O-N, on. So this is the word wall. Say children, A-R-E-R, T-H-E-R-E, there. M-O-R-E, more. Y-O-U, this. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is, this is. These, T-H-E-S-E, these. Care, C-A-R-E, care. Who, W-H-O, who. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Her, H-E-R, her. His, H-I-S, his. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. O-N, on. So this is the word wall. Take a note and write children and read this spelling again and again and pronounce them properly so that they are given word wall. Okay. R, there, more, you, this, is, these. This one is what? These. Care, who, play, her, his, where, on. Okay children, finish this one. Okay, so next. Here see, think zone is given. Think zone in page number 123 only. Think zone. You have to think. Here see. First, C-A-T, cat. Next, T-A-C, tack. Again, B-A-T, bat. T-A-B, tab. Yeah. P-A-T, pat. Here what you should write? This is the think zone. So here you should write T-A-P, tap. So in the last box you should write T-A-P. Here see, H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. H-A-T, hat. P-A-T, pat. H-I-T, hit. P-I-T, pit. In the last box you should write P-I-T, pit. So this is the think zone. You should think and write. First word, cat, tack, bat, tap, pat. So in the last box you have to write tap, T-A-P, tap. Then hen, pen, hat, pat, hit. In the last box, pit, P-I-T, pit. Understand children this one? Okay. We move on to next. Think zone over. Now one song. Let us sing. What are they doing? Now one song. What are they doing? In your book, page number 124. What are they doing? What are they doing? This is the song. What are they doing? What are they doing? Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. This is the song. Hop a little, hop, H-O-P, hop a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, hop a little, jump, J-U-M-P, jump a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3, 1, O-N-E, 1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, R-U-N-A, run a little. Skip a little, skip, S-K-I-P, skip a little. Run a little, skip a little. Tap one knee, tap one knee. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, bend, B-E-N-D, bend a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, blend a little. Stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, stretch a little. Nod your head, N-O-D, nod your, Y-O-U-R, your head, H-E-A-D, head. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head, yawn a little, sleep a little, yawn, Y-A-W-N, yawn, a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, yawn a little, sleep a little, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, a L-I-T-T-L-E, little, yawn a little, sleep a little, in your bed, in your bed. This is the rhyme. You already studied in UKG or LKG class, okay? Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head, yawn a little, sleep a little, in your bed. This is the rhyme. This is in your book, page number what? 124. So you already in your book, this is in your book, page number 124. Take your book and read this one. Okay. Next, what can they do? Discuss with your friend and color the boxes. Here, see. This one, read, children. You take your book and read this poem. Okay. This rhyme. What are they doing? Now, what can they do? What can they do? What can they do? What can they do? First, see in your page number 124, page number 124. This is in page number 124. Here they are given the picture. See here a baby picture. So I write the name baby. See here, cry. Next, laugh. Next, speak. Next, fly. So this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. Here see baby. Baby what can they do? Baby ennallam pannuva. What baby do? Baby can cry, baby can laugh, baby can speak. Baby can fly, no, so you don't take this one. Okay. Then second one. This is the first one. Now second one. Second one what? Second one is parrot. Parrot. Fly. Read. Hop. Sing. So parrot, what parrot can do? Parrot can fly. Parrot can read? No. Parrot can hop? No. Parrot can sing. So two only, fly and sing. Here is a dog. Here they are given the picture. Okay, you take your book and see. Run, jump, sleep, write. What dog can do? Say children, what can do the dog? Dog can run. So run. Dog can jump. So this is the correct. Then dog can sleep. It also sleeps. Dog right? No. So you don't take that one. So dog can run, jump and sleep. Here see baby. What can they do? So baby what baby does? Cry, laugh and speak. Then parrot what do? Fly and sing. Then dog can run, can jump and can sleep. So this is in your book, page number 124. You take your book and see children. Okay, have you all finished this one? Okay, shall I rub this one? Okay, next. So next, say aloud in page number 125. Shake your hand, Shake your leg, e. Shake your hips, I. Shake your body, o. Shake your thumb, you. So this is the song you should say. Here see in your page number 125. Shake your hand, a. Shake your hand, a. Shake your leg, e. Shake your hip, I. Here see. Shake your body, o. Shake your thumb, you. So this is the song only. So you have to see in your book and read. Next, M as in man and mango. M as in man and mango. Okay. Next, K in king and kangaroo. Next, G is in goat and goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Then F is in frog. F-R-O-G, frog and fig. R R in rat and rabbit.